नमस्कार दोस्तों। आज मैं आपके सामने अपने चैनल पे नया एक वीडियो लेके आ रहा हूँ जो है शुगर इंडस्ट्री एनालिसिस। और ये क्यों ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि अगर आप मेरे फंडामेंटल ब्लास्टर्स देख रहे हैं तो पिछले कुछ महीनों में मैंने काफ़ी ज़्यादा ऐसे शेयर्स आपको बताए हैं जो फंडामेंटली काफ़ी स्ट्रांग हैं। और क्योंकि वो फंडामेंटली काफ़ी स्ट्रांग हैं और उनमें काफ़ी मूवमेंट आया है, लाइक रेणुका शुगर, धामपुर एट्सेट्रा। So I am sharing the screen for you so that you people can understand that what I have done in order to analyze uh, this particular industry. So before I go and discuss the sugar industry, I will say a request rather that please अपना चैनल जो फिन ग्रोथ मंत्रा है इसको लाइक करते रहिए और सब्सक्राइब करते रहिए। भाई साहब, ये इंडस्ट्री एक स्ट्रक्चरल इनोवेशन के थ्रू जा रही है, स्ट्रक्चरल शिफ्ट हो रही है इस इंडस्ट्री में और उस कारण से आपको बहुत पैसा बनाने वाली है। सो दिस इज अ बिग स्ट्रक्चरल, आई विल से दैट्स अ ग्रोथ इज गोइंग टू we have talked a lot about the ethanol. And why I'm talking about ethanol a lot, because with the new laws and with the new government push for the ethanol has become a main product for the sugar company rather than the sugar. That's one thing. Second, sugar prices 2 rupees per kgs are higher in north as compared to Maharashtra. So there will be some extra point prices can be there. Agriculture yield has increased by 40%, which means cost of production has gone down to 2%, and 200 basis points. And India is an efficient sugar producer. Higher sugarcane prices, sugar cost around 20 cents per ton. Global prices are less. So you will be beneficiary in international market also. World sugar balance sheet is negative since last 3 years, and it is going to continue even after the next 3 years also. So I feel that 2024 the sugar balance sheet will be negative, which means demand will be more, supply will be less. Ethanol policy, which is there now on the ground when it is being implemented, there will be more interest subvention scheme, faster environment clearance for this. Movement of molasses and ethanol is allowed freely across the India. Then OMCs are increasing their tank capacity, blending ethanol at oil refineries, transporters are investing in tanks, railway movement of ethanol. So which means entire supply chain is moving. And when entire supply chain is moving in some industry, so industry need to go through a new variable, new upshift in the market. And so valuation has to change accordingly. Profitability in the sugar industry, increased crop care, and more innovation and investment is going to happen in this. So at least the western UP farmers are going to see a positive sign on that. Now, what are the advantages of ethanol? Sugar production, lower sugar production, no price fluctuation will be there, higher liquidity and better return for the farmers as well as the companies. Sugar mills who are not going for ethanol will suffer and will struggle. That is why you can exit out of the shares of those companies which are not working, are not manufacturing the ethanol. But there are some risk, whether government policy अभी बहुत अच्छी है, but it may change also, depends upon the government to government. But अभी तो 2024 तक clear cut है, not an issue. Investment pace in the ethanol industry, growth in liquor consumption is required, and grain-based realization is around 53 to 54 per liter, but ethanol with sugar-based is reduced, and it is going to save our forex of 160 lakh crores. So that is going to be a new story. So that is the ethanol story. So ethanol, you see the sugar in food, yeast, fungi, and then the ethanol being produced. So sugar stock have 2 to 4x run up in last 4 months, like Renuka sugar, like Balrampur Chini, Dhampur, etc. Rana sugar, Awadh sugar, etc. Sector has seen a turnaround from being cyclic to structural growth sector backed by government aggressive ethanol blending policies. And with the government 300 crore liter of ethanol is going to be there next year. as whereas the 180 crore liter was the last year. So 15% blending level would help the sugar industry divert 6 million ton of excess sugar produced every year. With the excessive distillery capacity addition in India, our coverage on the sugar companies is going to be very, very strong. And that is why I'm saying that Renuka Sugar, Eid Pare, Balrampur Chini, hold it and forget for 2 3 years. You will be having 4x, 2 3x from now onwards. Although if the prices are already high, we still you will have 2x to 3x. Government has already given a signal that by 2022, 10% ethanol will be fake mixed and 20% by 2025, and it is 100% achievable. The way we our industry is functioning, supply chain management is being developed. So this will reduce the sugar inventory, and which means sugar prices will move towards 36 to 37 per kg by September 2022. ग्लोबल शुगर प्राइसेस आर स्मूथनिंग द इंडस्ट्री, क्योंकि बाहर जो है वो शुगर के प्राइसेस, शुगर का प्रोडक्शन कम हो रहा है, थाईलैंड में कम हो रहा है, ब्राज़ील में कम हो रहा है, बिकॉज अल नीनो इफेक्ट इंडिया में आता है, बट दैट देयर इट इज ला लीना इफेक्ट. So that is what is improving profitability and attractiveness of the multiple companies. And now see this comparative chart. This I have discussed based on the current market price, P of the company, market capitalization, sales. Now, if you go through this particular chart, you will find, rather I will say table, this is the Eid Pare, 18,587. Then the next, if you see, is Balrampur Chini at 400, 4811, 46 त्रिवेणी है, Dalmia 2685, Dhampur 4186. But here you see the sales due to the ethanol, the sugar, Renuka sugar sales has increased, and the market price is now highest 7896. So Renuka sugar within 3 months has increased the largest market cap. So that is why I have referred to you earlier Renuka sugar, Dhampur, then Dwarikesh sugar, Awadh, Uttam, Ugar. So they all are doing very good now in the market. So that is why these industry, their profit margins will increase, their EBITDA is going to increase, and all the regions are that it has got the uh, better price. And if you see the EPS of these companies, is still the Renuka sugar is negative EPS. So once the positive EPS comes, it will give you a very good result. If you see the valuation, and I have included the valuation till 2024, and why that is required, I will explain them later off. Balrampur Chini is having an EPS in 2024 42% 0.34. PE उस समय अगर आज के हिसाब से प्राइस चले तो 8 होगा, so growth rate will be there. Dalmia sugar will be there 8.8. So they all are having a very good potential. So this you can say sugar inventories will decline to next 1 year because uh, you have to sacrifice for the this ethanol. Hence, the inventory will go down, and in the foreign countries like Brazil, etc., are not able to produce. Hence, that will go down. So global raw sugar prices would cross 20 cents per pound in the next 1 year, which would help Indian sugar industry to further export 6 metric ton in 2122, which means it will be a huge boost for this industry. Massive distillery capex is going to do it, because then only the ethanol opportunity जो है आप उसका फायदा उठा सकते हैं. So I am taking it that 2025 तक this 20% ethanol blending is going to do it a huge change to the market. This particular global sugar prices have moved up at 50% in the last 1 year, and the back to consecutive lower sugar production by Thailand, which is a major sugar exporting country. Now ongoing Brazilian crushing season, sugar prices have been firm, considering 5 to 6 metric ton decline in Brazilian sugar production, Cuba, etc. Hence, the Indian sugar industry will have a very, very good chances of foreign exports. Government is encouraging the use of flex fuel vehicles, which means it is going to be a big boost for the sugar industry. Overall blending level in Brazil is ever 50%, but in India it is just government is saying only up to 20%. So understand, if the government is right now taking it to 20%, planning for 2025, and it is going to be say 50%, then what is going to happen with the sugar industry? And why I'm incorporating the FY24 figures? Because next 2 years will be the capital expansion, capacity expansion, more capex will be spent because ethanol प्रोडक्शन लेवरेज करना है तो उसकी कैपेसिटी बढ़ानी होगी और फिर उसके बाद जो प्रोडक्शन होगा दैट विल इंक्रीज द revenues of this company. So 2024 FY is going to be the crucial for sugar industry. Sugar prices are expected to rise 20 rupees per quintal. Then sugar cane availability to be the key for that purpose because otherwise it is not going to happen. Balrampur Chini, वेरी गुड कंपनी, सेकंड लार्जेस्ट कंपनी है इंडिया की सब, और 320,000 डिस्टिलरी कैपेसिटी है इसके, 6 करोड़ लीटर, इट विल प्रोड्यूसिंग थ्रू ग्रेन्स, ब्रोकन राइस एक्सेट्रा। और मैं इसका प्राइस आज से FY23 में 14x देखता हूँ। भारत डालमिया अगेन अनदर ए वेरी गुड कंपनी, डिस्टिलरी कैपेसिटी इनकी बहुत अच्छी है, विच मीन्स एथेनॉल में एक बड़ा प्लेयर होने जा रहे हैं वो, और 14x FY23 में इनका प्राइस। त्रिवेणी इंजीनियरिंग 13x FY23 में होने जा रहे हैं। सो अगेन डिस्टिलरी कैपेसिटी नॉट टू दैट इफेक्ट ऑफ द शुगर केन। द्वारिकेश शुगर 2.5x it is going to be happen. Then Dhampur sugar 1.x, Awadh sugar 1.4. So the production volume, Balrampur Chini, which is just 1,153 right now in 2019, 2021 it is 1133, and it is going to be 1152. And distillery volume you see 2019 May it is just 110,890, but it is going to be more than three times almost, 2,95,680. Dalmia Bharat 3 times 155. Triveni 221. Dwarikesh 90,000. Dhampur 1,70,000. Awadh Sugar 1.6. तो आप ये देखो साहब, ये जो कंपनीज हैं इनका जो मेन बिजनेस है शुगर का आज वो कम होता जाएगा. On the contrary, they will putting more money into distillery ethanol production, which means this company, this industry is going to be the ethanol based industry rather than sugar based industry. So cyclic ना होकर structural है. आप कंपनियां पहचानिए और उसमें पैसा लगाइए. फॉर मी, बलरामपुर शुगर, ईद पैरे, डालमिया भारत, रेणुका शुगर, राणा शुगर आर गोइंग टू प्ले अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन दिस. लास्टली आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि आपका ये जो चैनल है फिन ग्रोथ मंत्रा, प्लीज प्लीज उसे सब्सक्राइब करते रहिए, अपने दोस्तों को बताते रहिए, उनको आगे बढ़ाते रहिए, जिससे कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग देखें, उनको फ़ायदा मिले, जो उनका नुकसान होता है वो ना हो पाए. सो दैट इज़ व्हाट. थैंक यू वेरी मच. गुड नाइट दोस्तों. हैप्पी इन्वेस्टिंग.